Good morning, children. Last class I had given assignment. Now you take your assignment. Let's check out the answer. Number 1. Do you want an orange? Number 2. I am proud to be an Indian. Third one. I want to buy a uniform. Fourth one. Arun saw an old man. Fifth one. Give me a plate of rice. Sixth one. There is an hospital near our school. Seventh one. The English test will end in an hour. Eighth one. It was an interesting movie. Ninth one. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. 10th one. Shall I take an umbrella before leaving? Okay, children. Last class we learnt articles a and an. This class we are going to learn definite article the. This article is called as definite article because it refers to a definite person or things. Let's see where to use definite article the. The is used before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, etc. For example, the Himalayas, the Ganges, the Indian Ocean, etc. It is also used to before the directions and natural phenomenon. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, etc. The is also used before a particular person or thing. For example, this is the pen that you gave me. Look at this example. This is the pen that you gave me. You are already talking about the pen which the other person has given you. So, it is a particular pen. That's why we have used the article the. It is also used to before newspaper, journals and holy books. For example, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Bible, the Ramayana, etc. Next one, the is also used to specify time expressions such as the morning, the afternoon, the evening, the day before yesterday and so on. For example, kids hate getting up early in the morning. Another example, we love to go swimming in the summer. It is also used to before the names of musical instruments. For example, Sharon plays the guitar. It is also used the names of scientific inventions such as the digital camera, the telephone, the bicycle, the internet and so on. For example, the telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, children, next one. The is also used before superlatives. For example, he is the best player. Here, best is the superlative degree. Therefore, you have used the best player. The is also used before introducing something or someone for the second time. When we talk about a thing for the first time, we can use a or an. But when we go on talking about it, we must use the. For example, Jim bought a hen. The hen laid eggs regularly. In these two sentences, we are talking about a hen in the first sentence, which is introduced for the first time. In the second sentence, we are talking about the same hen which we talked in the first sentence, which is actually introduced for the second time. Okay children, let's see what we learnt last class and this class. A and the. These three words are known as articles. They are classified into indefinite article, definite article. Indefinite article a and an. Definite article is the. A is used before words beginning with consonant. An is used before words beginning with vowel sounds. Next one, the article. This article is called as definite article because it refers to a particular person or river or building or mountain or things. Hope you understood. Do the assignments regularly. Thank you children.